Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to a new episode of Teaching English. Today we are with first intermediate grade, second semester, full plus 2, module 3. What an experience. Lesson 3A. Were you scared? Page 36. Prepared and presented by Mr. Said Shaban. The title of the lesson is again, Were you scared? Were you scared? What does scared mean? Scared means feeling frightened of something or feeling afraid that something bad might happen. So it means, were you frightened? Were you afraid? That's the meaning of the title. Okay, now let's read the objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to 1. Identify adjectives describing feelings, for example, being happy, sad, funny, scared, excited, etc. Number 2. Match pictures with phrases. 3. Scan a reading text for specific information. So again, the objectives of the lessons are identifying adjectives describing feelings, matching pictures with phrases, and scanning a reading text for specific information. Okay, let's start with the warm-up stage. I'm going to show you a photo of a man in different situations with different facial expressions. You are supposed to describe how does he feel. As you see. Okay, number 1. How does the man feel in picture number 1? Okay, that's great. He feels happy. Excellent. He feels happy. Number 2, the opposite. He feels sad. He's sad. Number 3, how does he feel? Okay, great. He's angry. And the last one, surprised. He is surprised. He is surprised. So this man is undergoing 4 different facial expressions and has 4 different feelings: being happy, being sad, being surprised, and being angry. Let's do another exercise. Okay, yes, how does this boy feel? Excellent. Look at his face. He's feeling happy. He's feeling happy. Happy. Okay. Number 2, how does this boy feel? Oh, what a pity. He is sad. He is sad. Great. He is sad. He is sad. Oh, this boy is annoyed. So he is angry. So he's angry. Angry. So he's angry. Okay. This boy is excited. 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 Oh, scared. This boy is scared. 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 How does he feel? He's surprised. He's surprised. He's surprised. And the last one, a funny boy. So he's funny. He's funny. A funny boy. Now open your books to page 36. Let's practice using these adjectives. 3A. Match the pictures with phrases. Then listen and check your answers. Okay, we have here a group of pictures and a group of phrases. Try to match a phrase with the picture. So look carefully at the picture and try to match a phrase with it. So number 1, how does this feel, cat? Is it scared? Is it scared cat? No, it's sad cat.
A sad cat.
Excellent. So it's D. A sad cat.
A sad cat.
2. How does this boy feel? Is he funny? No. He is a happy boy. He is a happy boy. So it's B. He's a happy boy. Listen.
A happy boy.
Happy boy. How do these boys feel? Okay, they are surprised children. They are surprised children. E.
Surprised children.
Surprised children. How does this man feel? How does this man feel? How does this man feel? Is he excited? No. He's angry. An angry man. So it's F. F. He's an angry man.
An angry man.
Again.
An angry man.
This man is excited. So he is an excited man. C. An excited man.
An excited man.
Cat. A scared cat. So it's A. A scared cat.
A scared cat.
And the last one is a funny boy. Is a funny boy.
A funny boy.
Thank you. Let's listen again and repeat. Repeat after it.
Module 3. What an experience. 3A. Were you scared? 1. Vocabulary. Match the pictures with the phrases. Then listen and check your answers. 1. A sad cat. 2. A happy boy. 3. Surprised children. 4. An angry man. 5. An excited man. 6. A scared cat. 7. A funny boy.
Now let's move to the reading part. What can you see in the photo? Okay. You can see Bill in bed and Ali sitting next to him. There is also Mommy. They are at night, as you see. So let's listen to see what's wrong.
2. Read. A. Look at the pictures. What's wrong with Bill? Listen to the dialogue and find out. Then read it out in pairs. Ali is sleeping over at Bill's house.
No, don't.
Bill, wake up!
Huh? What? Oh, it was just a dream.
Are you okay? Was it scary?
Yeah, we were all in a museum.
Who was there?
Me, you and Tom.
Was it like the boring museum on our school trip last week?
No, it wasn't. It was full of interesting ancient Egyptian stuff like mummies.
Mummies?
Yeah, and listen to this. We were in a big room and there was a small door. It was open and there was some steps. At the bottom of the steps there was a room with a mummy in it.
Was it alive?
Yes, and suddenly Tom wasn't there. He was the mummy. It was terrible. I was so scared.
Huh? What was that?
It's a message from Tom. No, it can't be.
What's wrong?
Look at the message.
Hi, Bill. You were in my dream. I was a mummy. It was terrible.
So what's wrong with Bill? You can say Bill had a scary dream in a museum. Okay, now let's explain the new words or the new vocabulary. Okay, the first word, wake up. What does wake up mean? Wake up means to make someone alert after sleeping. To make someone alert after sleeping. The word is scary. Scary means frightening. Frightening. For example, you can say a scary movie. A scary movie. Okay. The word museum. Museum is a building in which objects of cultural, historical, or scientific interest are kept and shown to the public. So it's a building in which there are cultural, historical, or scientific stuff. The word ancient. Ancient means very old, belonging to a period of history that is thousands of years ago. The word mummy. Mummy is a body of a human or an animal that is mummified. Steps. Steps here means stairs. 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 So it's a surface that you put your foot on in order to walk to a higher or a lower level. Alive. Alive means living, not dead. Terrible. Very unpleasant thing, making you feel very unhappy or frightened. Let's have some comprehension questions or understanding questions on the text. The first question: where are Ali and Bill? Where are Ali and Bill? Okay. The answer is at Bill's house. They are at Bill's house. Another question: was Bill's dream scary? Was Bill's dream scary? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Where were they all in Bill's dream? Where were they all in Bill's dream? In a museum. In a museum. Were they in a small room? No, they weren't. No, they weren't. Was the mummy alive? Was the mummy alive? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Who was the mummy? Who was the mummy? It was Tom. It was Tom. What did Tom send Bill? He sent a message. Let's answer the questions on page 37 on the dialogue. Okay, the first question: who was in Bill's dream? Who was in Bill's dream? The answer is Bill, Tom, and Ali. Bill, Tom, and Ali. Number 2. Where were they last week? Where were they last week? They were at a museum. They were at a museum. What was in the museum in Bill's dream? What was in the museum in Bill's dream? Ancient Egyptian stuff like mummies. What was the bottom of the steps? That's question number 4. There was a room with a mummy in it. Question number 5. Why was Bill scared? Why was Bill scared? Because the mummy was alive and it was Tom. The last question: who was in Tom's dream? Who was in Tom's dream? Bill and Tom. Bill and Tom. Okay, home assignment. Answer exercise A on page 98. Answer exercise A on page 98. Please answer this homework and send it on Ibn Khaldun website and wait for feedback from your teacher. I hope the lesson has been very useful and fruitful. I wish you all good luck and goodbye.